I'm spending 10 days exploring some breathtaking places, sampling some incredible food, enjoying spectacular beaches, with old friends, and making some new, travelling through the beautiful country of Cambodia. So join me where we start our second leg of the journey to the beautiful island of Koh Rong. Okay, looks like we're off.
$30, okay, my friend. You have me, you know, $30, okay, good price.
But we said 25. I knew that was coming. Parking number 4, 3 p.m. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was easy enough. If you book online, you just get these tickets. We booked a return, which is a little bit cheaper. Leg 2 of a 3-leg journey is now complete. We've just got the ferry. Hopefully there's not going to be any more surprises with the ferry. So it didn't feel that long actually. We could have got an overnight bus, which will take about 8 hours from Siem Reap, but we chose to travel in a little bit of luxury this time, if you can call Cambodian Angkor Air as luxury, but yeah, anyway, the journey was okay. So what I'm going to do is just keep this video rolling so that I can share my first impressions of what looks like a beautiful island that is Koh Rong. Our bungalows are just down to the right of this beach, so we're just going to keep on walking, exploring, seeing what's here, and just giving you my first impressions of this beautiful island. Now, I've wanted to come here for so long now, and it feels a bit surreal that I'm here. But my first initial impressions, and I'll probably get crucified for this, but my first impressions is it gives me a bit of a Thai island feel. Now, I don't think Cambodians are going to be too happy with me saying that. But nonetheless, I think it does give like a Thai beach backpacker type of vibe here in Koh Rong. Everyone seems quite friendly so far as well, which is excellent. And there's a few kind of lively bars already. So it's around 4 p.m. Here in Koh Rong. The water looks, it's not as clear. And I'm just going to be completely honest in this video, it's not as clear as I'd hoped, but the sand looks pretty cool, it's pretty clean. There's a fair bit of hustle and bustle going on. Now this is one of the beaches, one of many in Koh Rong, and this is where we're staying, so Koh Touch Beach. There is also Longset Beach, which is, you get through sort of some jungle pathway, and that'll take you to Longset Beach with a few more bars and things going on. And so just a bit about the island. It's an island, obviously belongs to Cambodia, it's a Cambodian island. It's around 50 minutes off the coast from Sinukville. There are quieter areas down sort of the west and north of the island. So we're down towards the south, which has got more kind of going on, more stuff going on, more bars, more activities, more people, more accommodation. That's why we decided to stay here. Fair bit of construction going on, and that includes an airport. So they're building an airport next year, which will make things a lot easier for people to fly in directly. I don't know where you can fly from. Maybe in future you can fly directly from Siem Reap to Koh Rong, but for now it takes approximately 8 hours. Yeah, so this is us, White Beach Bungalows. I think I did call it a hostel just because I'm used to saying hostel. It's actually not, we've got a bungalow right on the sea. Needless to say, we immediately dropped our bags and decided to do absolutely nothing today but eat, drink and enjoy these amazing views. We later headed out to check out the bars along Koh Rong beach, but had absolutely no idea what was to come.
First night in Koh Rong and it's torrential rain. Unbelievable. We found a bar which is pretty sound, playing decent music. So I think we're just going to stay here until the rain subsides.
It didn't subside. We were just unlucky, but we didn't see the rain for the rest of the trip, so let's just fast forward to the next day. We found a couple of jungle friends. They just stole a box of mangoes. So we made it to Longset Beach. This is the beach just not too far from our hostel. So Longset Beach, had to walk around, 20 minutes through jungle pathway. I think the beach is slightly nicer than Koh Rong. As you can see, Koh Rong is an absolute island paradise built for relaxing and definitely somewhere to include in any Cambodian itinerary. But as the sun goes down, we couldn't resist spending our final night in our favourite hostel. Yep.
Right, looks like we're back in Mad Monkey. I just can't stay away from this place.
Koh Rong was an absolutely incredible place and I really can't wait to go back. Thanks for watching and join me in the next video where we explore Cambodia's capital city, Phnom Penh.